kay Mary ka man.
Huwag yan, pwede na sa amin nila.
Kaya.
Longganisa. Hold, mommy.
Here. Grab one of this.
Meg. Oy, may ganito pala dito eh. Masarap to. Nasa ride na.
Oh, you Mary Poppins.
Ah.
Grab. No, not that one. This one. Here, this one.
Good job.
Here, let's go here.
Asan si daddy mo?
Oh. I know, not that one. No, you don't need that. Gonna look more here. Gonna look here. I thought that would be it. No. You're not allowed here. You gotta do this one. This one. Slowly. Good job. Put it here. Good job. Slowly. Oh.
Very
Ay,
good.
this one was ano. Mura. Just this one there. Gonna save us a little. Okay. Same place lang.
Same price lang.
Hindi, sale to itong isa.
Ah. Hi ka daw. Hi.
Ilang kaya?
Say hi. Jump, say hi. Hi. Oh, dali.
Let's go. Hold mommy. Hold mommy, baby. Let's go. Ah, here. We're gonna go here. Oh, okay. Let's fix it. Let's check the eggs. How much is the egg? Ay, ito 20 lang. How much? Expensive din na lang sa ano. Ito po. Ah. Oh, wait na. Slowly.
lang naman.
Don't open it. Just leave it here. It's not ours. Okay, we're gonna pick some eggs here. Let's grab 1 egg. 2 eggs. I think that's fine. Good job.
Ay, very good. Eh.
Good job.
Yeah.
Napaano pa ah. Okay, we got this one, the pearl. I'm gonna buy this because Ate Jay didn't like it. Put it there in the basket. Good job.
Good job.
So,
Oh.
mommy,
Let's go na. Let's go.
push. You wanna push? Okay, slowly. Off. Stop. We're gonna check. Wala naka-sale. Sa ano na lang sa superstore. Let's go, Jomer.
Let's go. Let's
Let's
go.
check here. Baka mura dito. Yan ang sa superstore.
Let's go.
Push.
Let's
Push,
go.
push. Good job. Slowly. Gonna walk slowly. Gonna
Uy.
walk slowly. Gonna walk slowly.
Ayan o, liampo ba tali? Uy, pala eh.
Saan na pa tayo eh? Hold, mommy. Come.
Oh, dali kay mami ka na.
Oh, here.
Wala?
No. Baka dito. Ay, Michael din kumipita.
Noodles, Korean.
Oo.
Ayun o, buldak.
Asan si Bulldog?
Ay, sa baba. Ayun, nakikita ko. Ha?
Hindi nakasave.
Hindi.
Ano na?
Puro Korean food to. Puro Korean food.
Wala namang walang ka-emergency dito. Ito yung pares na yun.
Ay, hindi, wait.
Ang pares oh. Yung tendon. Makakapot
Oo nga, no? Lalaki, no?
Tahong.
Ah,
Tahong, galing latte.
lalaki, oh. Patotoy ito. Talaba. Ay, sarap ng talaba. Ay, ang laki. Ay, ang laki.
Lobster kayo dyan.
Grabe.
$13 isang pound.
Ah,
Alimango.
may laki, oh. Ika. Ika ka na naman.
May sili naman tayo kung walang kayo. Baka sa mukha pumunta. Wanin.
Awanin.
Yun lang binili mo? Tatlo lang, dalawa lang? Apat?
Oo. Hindi marami po. Ano yung hinahanap mo ka mo?
Wala ka naman.
Tom yum soup.
Yung Nor liquid seasoning, wala?
Ito original.
Meron kami noon.
Ah, ayun oh, nakita niya.
Meron na tayo ba? Kailangan mo yan?
Siyempre, kailangan niya.
Okay.
May kalamansi niyan, di ba, Michael?
Wala, yung iba yun.
Meron yan. Ah, wala dito.
Oo. Magkano yan? Favorite si Jomer with chef. Ha? Ha?
Diba?
Quattro? Per pack ba? Per pack.
Pura.
Single lang yun eh.
Ang laki, oh.
Then may tatluhan. May.
Galunggong to, no?
Okay, let's go. So, Jomer.
Ito. Ay, okay ka na?
Hiwalay mo yung sa atin.
Alin sa atin?
Ay, wala naman. Ay, hindi. Itong pearl akin yan.
May pearl pa dun sa ilalim ah.
Paubos na nga yung backup ko. Naka-sale.
Wala ito.
Wala yan.